What up? What up? What up? This is the Downright Hustle Show, where I help special needs families increase their bottom line, and you follow along with my journey with getting out of $500,000 in debt. $500,000. So a little bit about me. I'm married. I have 4 children, 2 of which are on IEPs. One is on 504. One of my children has Down syndrome and autism. Another one is dyslexic. When I talk about $500,000 in debt, I'm talking about the house, 1 car that's not paid for, student loans, and of course, special needs families' medical bills. We're talking OT, PT, speech, ABA, all those fun letters, but it's worth it. I'm seeing growth in my children. One of the reasons why I started this channel is because I believe if you're a special needs parent, you have the guts, you have the tenacity, you have the why to start your own business. I've tried some things and I've had some small successes, and I want to share those with you all because you know, it's hard out here. It's hard out here for everybody. But we're going to ease some of that burden, ease some of that pain, because I want my sons and my children to have the best life possible. And to do that, we don't need to be shackled with this debt. All right, there's things that he needs. There's schools that he could attend, private schools that would probably be a good fit for him. But we're looking at, even with scholarships, we're looking at $20,000 more a year. We simply don't have right now. But that said, we're going to hustle, we're going to grind, we're going to get this debt down, and we're going to make a way for this kid to get in that class or whatever school he needs to get into so he can thrive. One thing about me, I'm not a guru. I'm just a dude. I'm a dad, and I want to help the best I can. Like I said before, I had some small successes, and I want to share those with you because I think if we can scale this and if we can make this sustainable, it's going to have an impact on a lot of lives, and that's the reason why I'm doing this. I believe that we're blessed to be a blessing, whether you're a Christian or whether you subscribe to like Buddhist or you know, even Muslim or whatever, karma, whatever it is that you believe in. I believe that if you give, that stuff will come around back to you. All right. I don't have anything to sell you. I don't have any books. I don't have any courses. I don't have anything like that. But what I do have is guts, and I have a little bit more experience than maybe some of you. Because I'm just a couple of steps ahead of you guys. And that's why this is a journey. That's why I want you all to follow along with me, and maybe you can use some of the strategies and some of the things that I found to be successful in this journey. This is my first YouTube video, and if you can't tell, that's some awesome production equipment, i.e. the sun, for my lighting. But that's all right, because I'm here, my heart's here, my head's here, and I'm ready to get started, and I'm ready to help as many people as I can. So if you want to follow along in this journey, please hit the subscribe button. I promise you I'll appreciate it. You guys are why I'm out here doing this, and I want to help as many people as I can, specifically special needs families. For those of you who aren't special needs families, and this kind of threw me for a loop when my baby boy was born. He's not a baby anymore, but a lot of people are under the opinion that if you have a special needs child, you get everything carte blanche. Well, that's not the case. Let me tell you, I've got the medical bills to show it, and I'm sure the other special needs moms and dads would say the same thing. My wife and I work. We both work full-time jobs, and we don't qualify under the income limits for some of the special services, at least in our state. I mean, maybe some states are different, but in the fine state of Florida, the state of Georgia, we just don't qualify, and that's okay, because we're gonna make it happen without all that. We do have insurance through our employer, but we still have to come out of pocket for a lot of the co-pays, and a lot of things aren't covered. A lot of things that they deem non-necessary is not covered, and it's a fight, and it's a battle. Special needs parents, I'm talking to you now. I just said fight and battle. From the IEP meetings to the insurance companies, to dealing with everyday people on the street who might stare, snicker, or say something like that. You guys are fighters. You're fighters, and I believe in you. And I know that if I show you some of these tactics that I'm using that has helped us, like I know that you can have a positive impact financially on your family. This is the things that I'm going to show you aren't get rich quick. They might not even be get rich slow, but it's a snowball effect. And like I said, I'm $500,000 in debt right now. I can walk around front and show you my car with over 100,000, just over 100,000 miles on it. But guess what? I'm gonna use that old hoopty and sign up for Lyft or Uber or something like that, and I'm gonna get some seed capital for some bigger things that I plan on doing, in which I actually have been doing that for a little while now. So, you guys are fighters. You can do it. I believe in you. And I know that if you take the time and do some of the things that I say, maybe everything might not be for you. That's okay. Some of the things that I've tried here recently, I mean, it's just not for me. But a lot of the things that I've tried are, and they are producing some results. Follow along with this. So I want you to get some of the skills and the tactics that I'm using. I want you to see that even being $500,000 in debt, if you work hard enough and your why is strong enough, you can accomplish it. And hopefully, you know, maybe a year, 2, 3 down the line, I'll be able to show you that we've paid off every cent of that debt through work, hustle, and smart spending and saving. Hit that subscribe button, and I hope to talk to you guys real soon. Take care.